this section, we'll discuss some more properties of logarithms. These properties will be used to solve logarithmic or exponential equations. The product rule for logarithms says that if two log terms are added together, they can be combined into a single logarithm by multiplying their arguments. These two terms are added together and they have the same base. Therefore, they can be combined by multiplying x plus 2 and x minus 3. We combine and then multiply the two factors of the argument. The quotient rule for logarithms says that if two log terms are subtracted, they can be combined into a single logarithm by dividing their arguments. The way I like to remember how separate log terms should be combined is to use the sign that's out in front of the term. If the term is positive, the argument goes up in the numerator, and if the term is negative, the argument goes down in the denominator of that single logarithmic term. And in the end, there is no simplifying necessary on this one. The power rule says that if you are taking the log of something in exponential form, the exponent can come down in front as a coefficient. Log base 5 of x cubed is the same as 3 times log base 5 of x. Let's combine these three separate terms into a single term. The first thing we need to do is make sure all coefficients on the separate log terms are 1. The first two terms have coefficients other than 1. Before these terms can be combined, we will need to move them, the coefficients, into the position as exponents on the arguments. We are using the power rule for logarithms when we do this. After this is done, we are ready to combine these three separate terms into a single log term. Again, what I do is I look at the sign in front of the term. If it's positive, the argument goes up in the numerator, and if it's negative, the argument goes down in the denominator. When more than one factor ends up in the numerator or denominator of a single log term, make sure that they are multiplied together. And you see here with the x squared and the x minus 2 they are. Thank you for listening.